So in the last class, we discussed like how to create a charts and everything, right? Okay. So I created a chart once again, I will show you like how we can create a chart. Okay. Whatever charts you can create, you can create the charts in the model driven app, or else in under the table also there is a chart option there also you can create it. Okay. In the last class in the model driven app, like how we can create a chart and everything that we discuss it, right? Okay, so that means when you go to that particular app itself, there is an option. See here, click on edit option. When you click on edit option, okay, and you click on play, okay, so there is a new option will be there. When you click on new option, you once again like mm, there is a show chart option is there. Click on this one. And if you want to create any new chart means here itself, there is a three dot buttons is there. There is an option called new. Here itself, like that, we can create it in the last class itself, right? So that means whatever chart you created here, okay, not only one chart, you can create a number of charts here itself. Okay, suppose for example, okay, and if I want to see this one, see here some other chart also I created. And if you want to, okay, delete this one, like 1 second, like show chart. Click on edit option. There is an edit option will be there. Okay. In this one, in the last class, we discussed how you can create a chart, everything that we already discussed, right? Suppose if you want to delete any particular one, okay. So this chart, I don't want it. Then what you have to do, how you can delete it? Go back to the previous one and 1 second. Okay. There is an option delete. Yeah, see, there is an option, delete it. Okay, so this is how, in the last class, this is how we can create a chart, right? You can create n number of charts in the model driven app. See here, whatever chart you created, the same chart name. See here, this is a chart you created in the last class in the model driven app, right? So the same chart need to be shown in the tables also. Okay, so there is a tables option is there, right? Under the tables, when you go to the tables, okay, under which table you created that particular chart in model driven app, that particular table you have to go to that one, like customer. See here, customer. Okay, and when you click on the customer, okay, see here, under this there is a charts option is there, right? Click on the charts option. That chart is also available here itself. Okay, if you want to create a new chart, here also you can create it. Even in the model driven app, if you create any chart also, that also it will display here. Understand clearly or not? Okay, so in the model driven app, okay, not only creating one chart, you can create n number of charts. Okay, how you can create n number of charts? Okay, let's play that particular model driven app. And after clicking on play option, there is an, see, whichever chart you created, that means, see here, under the customer area only, I created a chart, right? So click on show chart. Okay. Under the show chart, if you want to create another one, then see here, by default, this is a chart it is created. You can create another chart also. How you can create it? Click on three dot buttons and click on new option. Okay. When you click on new option, what will happen? So previously you are creating a chart, right? The same window, it will open it. Okay. Here itself, suppose for example, my used as a customer chart preview as like, I'm choosing this one as a customer view. Okay. So because previously I created a chart in the active customer 1s. Okay. Now I want to put it in the customer view. Okay. Chart designer name. Chart name. What is a chart name? Like suppose, for example, agent wise, like top three. Suppose, for example, agent wise. Yeah, agent wise total VIP. VIP level. Okay. This is a chart name. Okay. Now, when you come down, see here. Okay. What field? Like a VIP level only. For which aggregation function? That means, like, see here, in this chart, whatever bars are there, those are y-axis related. So first you have to choose y-axis related column, and those related y-axis, what aggregation you want to perform it. If it is a numeric or a decimal value, all the aggregations, sum, min, max, average, count, all these things. If it is a character related, count and count all. See here, count, count all and count non-empty. These options only it will be there for character related column. So that means in the chart, you will have x-axis as well as y-axis. That means this category, you will see the categories, right? This categories we can call it as, okay, x-axis. There is a series option is there, right? Those are y-axis. That means whatever value you are choosing, whatever column you are choosing in the series, that means in the bars, those are shown in the bars related. Those are y-axis. Here itself, those related columns. Always in the bars related, most of the times you have to choose numeric or decimal related. Characters also you have to choose it. But if it is a character, then count only you can perform it. You cannot perform some min max operations, right? Right? So that's the reason. Understand clearly. See here in the legend entries. So I'm taking as VIP level and sum. Okay. So for this particular VIP level, what aggregation perform or what aggregation operation I need to perform? Sum operation. Okay. If you want to add more series also, you can add it. Suppose, for example, not only this one, in the bars itself, I want to see like others related columns also, others related aggregations also, I want to see it. Then click on this one. Okay. For me, this is enough. Okay. Now, and below that, see category is there, right? Category means below this one. Like this is a category. That means you most of the times you have to choose either character or date related columns only in the category. Remember, in the category, most of the times you have to choose character or date related columns. Okay. Suppose, for example, I'm choosing agent name. Okay. And see here. So like see how the data will be agent wise, those related data, you can see it. But instead of seeing all the data, I want to see few of the things. Like see here, there is a top X rule, there is a bottom X rule will be there, bottom 5 item. That means from the bottom, whichever the least ones are there, so those 5 records. Bottom 5 or bottom 3 means from least from least to highest. Last three, whatever it is there, those are the things. Top three means highest top three. Okay. whatever it is that. Suppose I'm choosing top 3 here. Okay. Then see here, those related values only it will be appear here itself. Marks, Beto, Yark, and narration. These are the top ones. So those 3 only it will shows. Now click on save and save and close. See here. Okay. So another chart is also created. Now, so whatever chart it is created, when you click on the drop down, you will see like see here top 3 VIP level agent. See here, one is top 7 VIP level by location. Okay, here it is VIP level agent name wise like that. Okay, when you click on this one, see here like top 3 VIP level agent names it is showing here. Understand clearly enough? Like this, you know, n number of charts you can create in the model. One very important point is, so I told you, right? Whatever charts you created in the model driven app, those chart names will be displayed under tables, right? Under tables, you can see those particular charts, right? Okay. One second, like I want to close these things, multiple tabs. Okay, so see here, I created like multiple charts here. Okay, when you go to the tables, okay, see here, like I want to go to the tables. In which table these charts are created? In customer table only, right? So you have to go to that respective table only. Okay, that means under the table there is a customer. Okay, click on the customer one. Okay, so here we already discussed all these things except charts and dashboards, right? Okay, in the charts, see here, only VIP level by location top 7 it is showing. It is not showing VIP level by agent name wise. That is also chart I created, but that is not showing. That means in this particular model driven app, you can create a number of charts, but only the first chart only it will be displayed under the table. This is the first chart, whichever it is created, that chart name only it will be displayed here. After that, if you create n number of charts in the model driven app, those cannot be displayed here itself. Understand clearly or not? Okay, but you can also create the charts here and you can use those charts in the model driven app. Okay, you can create a number of charts here, but whenever you have created any chart in the model driven app, only one chart only it will be appear, one chart name only it will be appear under that particular respective customer table. You can see only one chart here, one chart name. Understand? In this chart, when you click on this one, see here, the chart, that particular chart only it will be appeared here. But I created another chart in the model driven app that it is not appear. That means if you created n number of charts in this particular model driven app, only the first chart name only it will be appear in under the tables. Understand? But in the model driven app, you will have n number of charts there. Understand clearly or not? Okay. This is how you can create a number of charts, and those charts you can use it there itself. Understand? Anyone having any doubts in this one? Okay. This is how we can create the charts in Power Apps. Okay. Next one is creating a dashboard. First of all, what is a dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but in charts, only one visual you can create once at a time, right? You can create one visual once at a time. Understand? Suppose, for example, okay, I want to create multiple visuals once at a time. In the chart, only one visual you can create it, right? See here, when you click on this chart, okay, here itself, only one visual only you can create. I don't want like this. I want to create multiple visualizations once at a time. Okay, multiple visualizations once at a time. If you want to create multiple visuals once at a time, then you have to use an option called dashboard. Okay, dashboard is nothing but a multiple visuals once at a time you can create it. Then that is called as dashboard. Understand? So the same thing in charts, how you can create same thing, but there itself you can create a number of visuals. Okay, see here. Let's see how we can create this one. So if you want to create a dashboard, means where you can create a dashboard under the tables only, you you can create the dashboard under the tables. Okay, so go to the respective table first. Okay, and see here in this table. So under this one, you will see an option called dashboard. Okay, so sometimes what you have to do, you can create a number of visuals in the dashboards only. You have to do that. Understand clearly or not? Don't forget it. If you want to create a single visual, then go to the chart. If you want to create multiple visuals in one window itself, I want to see multiple visuals, then create a dashboard. Understand clearly enough? If you want to create a dashboard, means you have to come to the under the tables. There is an option, go to the respective table. Under the table, there is an option called dashboard. Okay, so under this one, there is an option called, see here, when you click on dashboard, see there are four categories of things are there here. That means four column overview. That means four column overview means there are four different boxes will be there. In each box, what visuals you want to create it, you can create it there itself. Understand? If it is three, means three boxes are available. In those three boxes, you can take three visuals. If you click on two column overview, means that means you can take two column. Vijay, here column overview and column overview, varied width and overview is there. Both are same itself, but it is some width wise. If you are taking three column overview, varied the width, means you can resize that particular width itself. Understand? So that's the reason, whichever you want, you can use it. Understand? So click on two column overview. I want to create two visuals into that particular one. Then I have to choose two column overview dashboard. Okay, whenever you click on new dashboard, you will see there are four categories: four column overview, three column overview, two column overview. So whichever is required, you can use that one. Okay, so first you have to write the dashboard name. What is the dashboard name? Like a sample dashboard. Okay, sometimes in the Power Apps itself, they're asking visualizations here itself. Either in the chart or in the dashboards only, you can create the visualizations. Those visualizations, you have to use it in the model driven. That's it. Understand? So give the name of this one and see here, there are different types of entity views are there. In that, active customer view entity will be there. See, at the time of creating a charts itself, there are different entity views we choose it, right? So in that one is customer, active customer one is, another one is customer view type. We already choose that one, right? So for this one, first active customer. Okay, in this one, you have to select the box in which box you have to take the active customer bonus. Then select that particular box, click on this particular, see here, there is a bars related things is there, right? Click on this plus button here itself. There is a plus button, right? Click on this. Now, see here, VIP level, location wise, the data will be there. Okay, select that one and click on add. Okay. In this box itself, I want to take it as entity view as customer view. Okay. In that customer view, see here, I'm taking here as uh, like anything like whatever charts you are shown here itself, those charts itself. Sometimes I created already two charts there itself. Okay. So in the charts itself, how many charts you can create it there, those can. Suppose for example, see here, suppose instead of taking this one, like I want to close this one. See here, because I want to create a multiple charts. After that, then I need to go come to the dashboard. Then I need to pull the charts there itself. See here, but here in the charts, only one chart is there. I want to create multiple charts. Okay, click on new chart, and here what view it is, you can choose like customer view. In the customer view, what type of visual you need to take in here, like see. Suppose, for example, VIP level and aggregation is sum, and series of this one is agent name, right? Okay. Now click on save and close. Instead of this one, sorry, I want to take like not all the level, like top three or something, because I don't want to see all those records. Okay. If you want to choose custom also, you can choose it. Like suppose four. Okay. Click on four. And now click on save and close. That's it. Okay. Refresh it. Okay. And you can check, is it top three or complete data edition? Okay. Top four data only to show, but the name is not changing. You can change the name there itself. Okay. Don't worry. See here. And here itself, you can change the name. Like click on these three dot buttons and advanced. Click on okay. Can't we change the name? Yeah. See here, the name here itself, we can change. Like top four, VIP level. See here, now, like this. Okay. If you want to change similar like top seven, same like the top. Okay. Click on this one. Okay. This is how the charts are created. Now, I want to create a dashboard for all these things. One dashboard, I want to create it. See here. Okay. Click on this new dashboard. Click on two column overview. And after that, here you need to give the name as like a sample dashboard. Okay. In this sample dashboard, select this box and select this entity first. Okay. Active customer view. In this one, in this box itself, what visual, like I don't want to choose top four. I want to choose top seven. See here, you can choose this one. See, but these are, see, whenever you click on this particular one, okay, this record type and view name is like by default, this is the one it will be there. You can choose that means in that particular customer table, whatever charts it is available, those charts here itself, it is available here itself. Whichever chart you want to display it here, that chart only you can add. Click on add. Understand? Now, see here, in this dashboard, whenever you create a dashboard, what is a dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but multiple visuals will be there in one place itself. That is called as a dashboard. Okay, in one window itself, we can create multiple views. For that, you have to use dashboard itself. Understand? So when you want to create a dashboard, see here, what will happen here it is, like, see, there are different options will be there. Okay, and filtered by, okay, date join wise, you can filter it, or whichever. The time frame is this week and this quarter related things, it will be there. Whichever option you required it, you have to use that one. The time frame related filter, you can apply it. After creating a chart itself, must and should, you need to create a stream. Stream is nothing but which one is executed first. That means in this particular multiple visuals, which one need to be shown first, which one is the second one, which one is the third one. You have to arrange it properly under the stream itself. Understand? And under the stream, click on. Without creating a stream, you cannot save it and you cannot close this one. See here, add a stream to the dashboard. Okay, if you try to click on save, it is immediately, it will showing that, like, first you have to add the stream to the dashboard. After that, you can save and close it. So what is a stream? Stream is nothing but which visual you need to show it first, which is the second one. That means if you want to put the visuals in a proper order, or arranging the visuals in a proper order, is nothing but a string. Understand? So for this one, what you have to do is, so then, see, under the stream itself, click on these three. Okay, so there is a different things are there, right? Active customers is the first one. Under the active customers, what it is there, that it will be shown. After that, again, when you click on in this particular center bar itself, if you click on this, again this add stream, and here itself I want to use it as a customer here, and click on this. Now click on save and close. Okay, refresh the browser. Understand? Whatever dashboard you created here itself, the same dashboard you can pull it in the model driven app also. Don't worry, I will show you. Okay, so this is the dashboard it will show. If you want to create 4 columns related, 3 columns related, you can choose that one and you can create in that particular. Don't worry, like Vijay, I want to create not only charts and not only bar graphs, I want to create a table. Then what I need to do? Don't worry, see, there is a separate one is that I will tell you. Understand? So whatever dashboard you created, the same dashboard you have to pull it into model driven. So for that, what you have to do, go to the model driven app. Don't click on play, click on edit. Okay, so under the edit, when you click on edit, this window, it will come here itself. Understand? In this window itself, what you have to do, okay, so here itself, there are 3 dot buttons is there. Okay, see, in this one, there is a customer groups is there. In this one, there are 3 dot buttons is there. Under the 3 dot buttons, when you scroll down, you will see an option called Open Dashboards. See here. See. So those related dashboards related data, you can see it here. That means when you click on My Activities, you will see your related activity related things it is showing. Understand clearly or not? Okay. So if it is a customers related data, you can see it. Understand? Okay. That means when you click on Open Dashboard, those related things are graduates. Okay. One second. Okay. And you click on this one. Okay. And like there is a open dashboard system. In this, see here, sometimes what will happen, sometimes these dashboard doesn't have any data. Then what you have to do, you have to apply some filters there itself. Okay. See here, suppose for example, click on three dot buttons, click on new, and not this one. Like suppose sometimes when you click on play, so first of all you have to publish it and click on play. Okay, when you run this application model driven app, see what will happen here. In this one, okay, so you will have an option show chart. Okay, what is that? Show chart option will be there. Okay, okay. Under the show chart, under the chart itself, whatever visuals you created, those visuals here itself, you can see it. Suppose I want to show this one, you can show. If I want to see like another one, like VIP level or agent wise, like this, whichever charts is required, you can select this one. See here, okay. Whichever it is required, you have to click on that particular one. Understand? And so if you want to create more charts means, right? Okay. Click on new option, you can create it. Understand clearly? Okay. So not only this one, like suppose for example, if you want to like can if I want to click on top seven related things, it will shows here itself. Understand clearly or not? Like this, if you want to delete it, you can delete this one. Okay. And see on this one, like you can sometimes what will happen here it is like data won't shows properly at that point of time. So whenever you will go to the dynamic 365 is also there. There itself you can take a number of charts. Understand? But right now you can take like see if you want to see the dashboards wise means there you can okay click on these three dot buttons and you will see open dashboards. When you click on open dashboard, whatever it is there, whatever dashboards you created, those are displayed here itself. Understand clearly or not? So all the activities, like there are different options is that these are the system related one. Okay. And see here and my closed open activities, and these are the different things. And whichever you want to choose it, that related option, it will be appear here itself. This is how you can create it. Okay. Another one is suppose sometimes what will happen here it is if you want to see in dashboard, you can create like two, three visuals. Suppose for example, you can create okay, and maximum it is four visuals. Suppose if you want to go with a dynamic, see here, there is an option under the new dynamic 365 dashboard. Whenever you click on this one, this option is available here only in model driven app. And when you go to the dynamic 365 dashboard, okay, click on the dynamic 365 dashboard. Actually, you need to refresh it. Every time you have to refresh this. Okay. Okay. Under this one, like first you have to go to the open dashboard. Under the open dashboard, see here. again, first click on the three dot buttons again. Okay, don't forget it. First, you have to open the model driven app. O Go to the open dashboards. Okay, there are three dot buttons is there. Open three dashboard. Under the open three dashboard, new option is there. Dynamic 365 dashboard is there. Okay, it is because sometimes it is not refreshing properly. Actually, the dashboard, this is the open dash dynamic 365 dashboard is there. So here also you can create anything like create a graph, chart, a table, anything you can create it. But here it is, I think it is showing an error. Previously, like direct options will be there. Like every 3 months they are upgrading their versions. So every time this is the problem it is facing, like with why these are the errors, because sometimes some options having a license. Previously it is giving license free version. Now it is changed to license one. So these are the problems it is facing. I will check this error and I will let you know. Okay, we don't want to waste the time here itself. Okay, so here even in the dynamics, there is a dynamic 365 dashboard. Here also the option is there. In here itself, you can create any graphs, a bar or a table, multiple things you can create it. There are different layouts you can create it. Different layout means you want four visuals, like one is bar, another one is table, another one is like a chart related thing. Like that, you can choose by your own what dashboard is required. Understand? So based on that only it will be appeared. Understand clearly or not? This is how the dashboards are created. Okay. At the dashboards, which that means you can create the dashboards under the tables only. You can create the dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but multiple visuals will be there in one particular window itself. In one particular window itself, if you want to create any particular dashboard, like see, like suppose for example, okay, like I want to create the customer is this one, expand this one. Here. See, I want to take some sample dashboards. There are some default dashboards are also there. I will show you how it will look like this. Okay. And click on next. And suppose there are some system dashboards are there. Suppose for example, like a Microsoft Dynamics 365 overview. Click on it. Okay. Like when you click on save and click on publish it. Not here. I want to create here itself. Under the customer itself, I want to create those things. So you have to select this one. Okay. Sorry, I don't want to create it here itself. Remove from the navigation and click on new. So here dashboard. Click on next. Click click on save and publish it. Now click on the click. Okay. So see here, Microsoft Dynamics. Okay. So if you create the Microsoft Dynamic 365 dashboard, and that also you can use it. But I am using the default Dynamic 365 dashboard. So if you click on this one, see here how it will look like this. And see whenever you click on this particular one, okay, set it as the default one. Actually, right now there is no data is available, so that's the reason it is showing like this. See, and we see. Okay. So, and after taking the sample one, see here, there is an option. Okay. So when you take any particular sample one, this will open Microsoft Dynamic 365 overview. Okay. So once again, I will explain you. Listen. See here. So you know how to create a dashboard. After creating a dashboard, what you have to do? That means, suppose for example, you want to create a dashboard under this one. So for this one, I need to select this one and click on new dashboard. And here, see here, when you click on dashboard, click on next. And here, like you see, like there is a different categories of things are there here. Power BI dashboards also you can use it. Okay, interactive dashboards and So many things it will be there. And whichever dashboard is required, first what you have to choose, something like system dashboard, you have to choose it. If it is a Power BI dashboards also there, you can choose that one. Okay. And click on add it. Once you click on add it, click on better to save and publish it and play the app itself. And after clicking on play, okay, what will happen in the new tab itself? That particular Microsoft Dynamics new tab is added for under the customers. There is a Microsoft Dynamics tab is added here itself. See here, one second, like it is asking sign in. Okay, okay. So now what you have to do, there is an option, new option is there, right? When you click on new, okay, there is a dynamic 365 dashboard is there. Here itself, there are different layouts will be there. Suppose if I choose three related column, regular dashboard, then in this one, like this, it will view it. Suppose if you choose this one, this is how it will look like this. This if you click on this one, this is how. Whenever you choose this particular one, suppose two column dashboard also, you can take it and you can take this one, you can choose this one and create it. Okay. After that, here itself, what is the name of this one? Like mm, my dashboard. Okay. In this one, see here, there are different options will be there. Either you can create, insert a list of this one or create a chart. Anything you can take it here itself. Understand? Under this one, like which chart you required it and which one you have to use it. See here, I don't want account one. I want to choose customer. There is a customer table is there, right? You can choose the table here itself. Under the table, if you created any particular chart itself, those you have to use it. Okay. Suppose in this one also, I want to use some other one. Okay. In the customer table, I created multiple charts, right? I choose it, those things here itself. Okay. And here I'm choosing like agent wise total charge. Here it is there. So this is the one. And come down for this one, table wise. This is a table wise. When you choose this particular, see here, like navigation insert list is option is there, right? So in this one, if you want to choose like a table wise, then like I want to choose it as like what is that one? Customers, right? Where is the customer? Yeah, customers. In this customers, what customer data you can view it, click on it. Okay, and those columns it will comes here itself. Suppose for example, insert a web resource. Suppose for example, when I click on this one and I want to choose like um, here some default web resource option is there, anything you can choose it. Let's see, click on okay. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to save this one. Okay, maybe so I want to delete this one. I want these three one. Okay. So save this one and close it. Now my dashboard is visible here itself. See, okay, and like this. In this one, what are the tables are there? Those tables you can table wise. One is so like first visual is like this is the one, and after that one this one, and this is the table one. In this table, whichever is required, columns is required, you can choose it also. Like filters, is there any options will be there? like C and whichever column, when you scroll down, you will see the different columns of this particular table. Okay, like this. Okay, this is how you can create dynamic 365 dashboard also. Okay, in this dynamic 365 dashboard, if you want to delete any particular one, okay, you can delete this particular my dashboard also. Okay, so this is one. See here, these are the system dashboard. This is our dashboard which you created. Okay, suppose if you choose this one, you can choose that one. And if you choose whichever dashboard you created, that one I need to choose it. Then click on here itself, this arrow, and click on my dashboard. And my dashboard related things that will display here. Understand clearly? If I want to modify it, then click on edit. Okay. Again, if you want to remove anything, or if you want to add something like a like list of one, web resource, timeline, iframe. There are whichever you required it, you can take that particular one and create. Understand clearly or not? This is how you can create like dynamic 365 dashboard. Okay, and once you create it, so the same thing you have to publish it every time you can see that particular in that model driven. Understand clearly or not? See here now, whenever you click on customer view, customers related data, whenever you click on Microsoft Dynamics, in the Microsoft Dynamics, see here it is my dashboard. Okay, set it as a default one. So every time when I click on this one, what will happen? This Microsoft Dynamics 365 overview. In this one, nothing will be there. So what you have to do is, in my dashboard, the data will be there, right? So select this particular my dashboard and set it as a default one. Okay. And whenever you open this one, every time my dashboard related things only, it will be appear here itself. Understand clearly? Okay. So this is how you can create the things. Okay. And you can create a number of dynamic dashboards, and you can assign in which tab you want to see that particular one. You can assign it. Is it clear or not? You want to save this one, my dashboard, and click on save. Okay. And this is how the dashboards and charts will be created. Okay. And next one is like we can discuss about the solutions. Very important topic, solutions. That means what in the solutions will do. Sometimes you can take the tables from the Dataverse. Sometimes if you want to move the app from one environment to the another environment, this solutions is the only option to have to use it. Okay, so this is the solution related discussion will be happen. After solution discussion, securities are also very important. Those security related things we need to discuss it. After security related discussions, then we need to discuss about one portal app. After portal app, we need to discuss about the like what is the next one, like custom connectors also we discuss it. That is the last topic. And so after this one, there are three topics are available. Those three topics, if maybe I will try to complete it as soon as possible. And very important, because each and every point is important. Even security is also important. Okay. So whenever you are trying to create an application, sometimes what will happen, immediately it is not reflected, because this is not a software. Okay, remember, this is not the software. This is an application which you create in a cloud environment. In the cloud environment, saving the data in the memory and retrieving the data and showing the data for that little bit time it has to be taken. If it is a software, immediately it will show the data, because software, whenever you create a software, immediately server also need to be installed in your laptop or desktop. Okay, in that immediately it will store and retrieve, and immediately it will be affected. But when you are saving the data in the cloud itself, it will go to the Azure cloud and save the data and retrieve the data and show the data. Means somewhat it will take time. Okay, so that's the reason. If it is immediately, it is not affected also, don't worry. Understand? Okay, today's discussion, like how you can create a dashboards, how you can create a charts, how you can create a dynamic 365 dashboards and everything. Very, very, very important. And next things also very important. Solutions like security and like model, like portal app. Okay, next one is like and custom connectors, and these things are very important. Okay, that is the last. Custom connectors is the last one. After that one, I will explain you Power Automate. So one class, not more than one class I will explain you. Like, see, by using Power Automate, we can automate each and everything. Okay, so Power Automate is also required. So combination of Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate. These three we can call it as Power Platform. Okay, but in Power Automate, like, there are so many triggers, actions will be there. You have to know each and every action. You have to understand it. Okay, and that is environment is different, but I will show you one sample thing in Power. Okay. And anyone having any doubts, and maybe tomorrow I will give the Power Apps document once again. Before completing this Power Apps class, I will share the complete Power Apps document. Understand? Anyone having any doubts? Okay, we can stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.